Now we are starting our interaction section, and in this
सर
section, yes,
सर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा सर, नाम आप बोल देना।
ठीक है, नाम हम बोल देंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
ओके सर।
So now we are starting our interaction session, and in this session, Rakshit will ask questions, and others will answer. And after this round, as then Rakshit will ask the questions and other will answer. So I think you are ready for it. So come on, Rakshit, start karo.
यस सर। सो गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, एंड टुडे we have an interaction session, and I have been told to ask you some questions. So my first question is, which country is better, a developing country or a developed country, and why that is better?
प्रिया, थोड़े क्वेश्चंस थोड़े से नॉर्मल से लो भैया। प्रिया, बहुत हायर लेवल के क्वेश्चंस नहीं लेने अपने को। प्रिया,
Okay sir.
Sir, can you repeat? Bhaiya,
क्यों सुना
can
नहीं
you
आपने?
repeat?
नेटवर्क का तो इशू नहीं था, बराबर दिख रहे थे आप मेरे को, फोकस नहीं था आप
सर
पे।
वो आवाज कम आ रही थी।
आवाज सही बराबर आ रही है, आपका ध्यान नहीं था।
सर मैं बोल
हाँ,
रही हूँ।
नहीं नहीं बोलो आप, अगर समझ में आ गया तो, नहीं तो गया चांस आपका। कोई रिपीट नहीं होगा क्वेश्चन किसी के लिए भी। अपना नेटवर्क सही करके बैठो आप, सारे के सारे बोलो, आंसर दो, समझ में आ गया क्वेश्चन तो, नहीं तो फिर नंबर पास कर रहे हैं आपका।
Yes, sir. I think a developed country is more most more better because
मोर की डिग्री लगानी
developed.
पड़ी है। बेटर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री
Yes,
तो
sir.
है, फिर मोर क्यों लगा रहे हो? आगे बोलो।
Yes, sir. Because it has faced its ups and downs, and it has done a lot of struggle and get got the achievements to become a developed country. That's it.
Yes sir. So my next question is, what is the role of a society in a person's life?
मधु, किसी भी हालत में क्वेश्चन रिपीट नहीं होगा। आपका नेटवर्क का भी प्रॉब्लम है तो वो पास हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन आपसे। बिल्कुल रेडी होके बैठो
Yes,
आप।
sir.
हाँ, कैमरे सब चालू रखो अपने अपने। उसी का नाम लूंगा मैं
Yes,
जिसका
sir.
कैमरा चालू होगा। जिसका कैमरा बंद है मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा उसका। बोल बेटा।
Okay, sir. We live in society, and uh, society play important role in our life, and um, some society uh, teach many uh, teach many things, like teaches many things, like brotherhood, and um, society. We we live in society with uh, with with together and
टुगेदर क्या होता है? खाली टुगेदर
peace,
नहीं आएगा, विद टुगेदर क्या होता है?
together
हाँ,
together and peace, and
टुगेदर विद पीस आएगा, यहाँ पर आएगा इन पीस आएगा।
okay
फोकस
sir,
करो, थोड़ा सा फोकस नहीं है
in
आपका।
and that's it sir.
फोकस करो थोड़ा सा, तो काफी प्रैक्टिस में होगा।
Yes sir.
हाँ,
Yes sir. So my next question is, we know that fossil fuels are very important for the world. So how can we save fossil fuels like petroleum, coal and natural gas?
हर्षित।
Yes, sir, we can save them by using their alternate options, just like we can use electricity in many types of things, and also we can use LPG as a to do many things which are related to which are related to fire, and that's it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So my next question is how can we spread awareness regarding cleanliness to the people?
Lakshmi.
We can aware our society when when we सर लगाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या लगाना है?
पोस्टर लगाना.
हैं?
पोस्टर लगाना. We put
By fixing posters.
by fixing posters and we 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 should aware all the peoples and
We should make the people aware. Aware कोई verb नहीं होती है.
yes sir, we should make the people aware and by TV we by TV we can post on the TV. That's it sir.
Yes, come on, रक्षित. बहुत हायर लेवल के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. रक्षित थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करो.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
So
यहाँ कोई क्लास
so
नहीं चल रहा बेटा. सिंपल से क्वेश्चंस करो आप. मैं भी तो सिंपल कर
sir,
रहा हूँ. मैं भी हायर लेवल के करने लग जाऊंगा तो आप सारे के सारे ही फंस जाओगे. सिंपल
sir,
क्वेश्चन करो आप,
simple,
जिससे
sir.
इंटरेक्ट हो सके. अपने को कोई ज्ञान की परीक्षा नहीं लेनी है यहाँ पे. बोलो.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. So my question is how can we decrease pollution? So सही है सही है.
हाँ सही है. थोड़ा ऐसे क्वेश्चन लो जो जनरल क्वेश्चन हो. यस खुशी.
We should grow plants more and more and we should not cut trees and we should clean our आसपास को क्या बोलेंगे
Surroundings.
surroundings
Surrounding नहीं,
and
surroundings.
surroundings and we should use we should use very less
Should use
vehicles.
vehicles very less.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
That's it.
Okay, ठीक है. Next question.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is yes, sir. Sir, how can we increase our knowledge?
How can we increase our knowledge? Aditya.
Yes, sir. We should read more books and read newspaper and practice that thing which we cannot do. And this is a very nice thing to improve our knowledge. Yes, sir, that's it.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir. So my next question is reading books is good or not?
Kabir.
Yes, sir. It is good for our knowledge.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is what can you tell me one advantage and disadvantage of banks?
Kajal.
There are many advantages and disadvantages of bank. So, a first advantage of banks. we can take uh, loans uh, from banks
Hmm.
and uh, if we we don't uh, give their money, so bank take us. So
तुम बताओ डिसएडवांटेज क्या है रक्षित?
Yes, sir. Sir, the disadvantage is there are strict terms and conditions of banks. Like will take loan and we if we are unable to sir repay it, so we do not get much time and our properties can be seized.
एक मिनट होल्ड करो जरा बेटा. This is not any disadvantage. How can you say that this is a disadvantage? If you have borrowed money from bank, you will have to pay her.
Yes, sir.
So how can you say that this is a disadvantage?
Yes, sir.
No, I think there is no disadvantage of bank.
Okay, sir.
है ना? Next
Yes,
question.
sir. Yes, sir. So, what are the sources of water in the world?
What are the sources of water in the world? Yes, Vaishnavi.
the sources of water like lake, pond, ocean, wells, tube wells, and water. You know that is a very important, and without we can't live without the water, and so these are the sources.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So, my next question is how can we save water?
Kabir. Kabir is not here. Gaurav. Gaurav is also not here. Anuj.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can save water by using it less and and that's it, sir.
हेलो सर,
हम्म.
कबीर आवाज आ रही है क्या?
आ रही है आवाज, बाद में आती है तेरी जब पूरा हो जाता है. बोलो अगला, बोलो क्वेश्चन बोलो रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Sir, my next question is what is deforestation?
What is deforestation, Kabir?
Sir, when we cut the trees and our environment, it is called deforestation.
Next question.
Yes, sir. And what is afforestation?
Gaurav. है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. चलो तुम जवाब दो इसका रक्षित.
Yes, sir. The afforestation is the opposite of deforestation when. Sir, Gaurav आ गया.
बोलो बोलो. नहीं गया वो, अब ऐसे नहीं
Okay,
होती
sir.
क्लास.
Yes, sir.
क्लास
When
हमारा चालू है नहीं, पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ घूमते फिरते हो. नहीं होगी. बोलो आप, बोलो रक्षित.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. When we plant many trees, it can be termed as afforestation.
Okay. Next, now this round is complete, and now this is the turn of Priya. Yes, come on, Priya.
Yes, sir. So my first question is, what is Raksha Bandhan? So this question goes to sir. आप बता रहे हैं?
चलो मैं बोल देता हूँ.
हाँ.
वैष्णवी.
So Raksha Bandhan is the festival, and on this day, sisters apply tika to their brothers, and they tie rakhi
on their brothers, and the brothers give the gift to their sisters, and they promise that they protect from the evils and etc. So this is the called Raksha Bandhan.
Okay.
Yes, sir. What is the importance of book?
Book. Madhu.
Books important. Books is important in our
Books
life.
कैसे हो सकता है बेटा? हमेशा करती
Books
है ऐसी
are
गलतियां, तो
very
मतलब ये
important.
सोचती नहीं है कि सिंगुलर है, प्लूरल है. ये गलतियां हमेशा करती है तू. थोड़ा सा फोकस कर ले बेटा. बोल.
Yes, sir. Books are very important in our life, and books are like a friend, and books give many knowledge,
Much knowledge.
big much knowledge, and books increase our knowledge, and mm, may, there are many types of books like motivational books and religion books and
Religious books.
religious books and etc.
एंड एटसेट्रा के से पहले एंड नहीं लगाते हैं कभी.
Yes, sir. We should read books and get knowledge. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. थोड़ा फोकस करो, गलतियों पे थोड़ा फोकस करो आप. नेक्स्ट.
Yes, sir. What do you want to achieve in your life?
काजल.
There are so many goals in my life, and I I want that my biggest goal is I want to become an officer, and uh, and
क्या हो गया काजल?
पता नहीं क्या हो गया.
कोई बात नहीं है. कोमल.
Yes, sir. I want many things. I want many things in my life. Like I want to a good job and a perfect life, and I want all time that my parents always be happy and healthy in their life, and
यही क्वेश्चन था क्या तुम्हारा?
I have many.
क्या क्वेश्चन था?
Sorry, sir. आवाज नहीं आ रही.
नहीं, ये प्रिया से पूछ रहा हूँ. क्या क्वेश्चन था बेटा?
Sir, what is your achieve? What do you want to achieve in your life?
ओके, ठीक है. बोलो कोमल, कंटिन्यू करो आगे.
Yes, sir. And I want to become a good citizen, and I want to a good person to our nation. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir. What is the difference between rural area and urban area?
Very good question. Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Rural area doesn't have that much facilities. If they have, so they are not good. Not good. Like there is not facility of public toilets and restaurants and other things. But in urban areas there are private hospitals, high or highly rated hospitals, and also highly rated private schools, English medium schools, and many other facilities, etc., etc. Well, it's a long topic, and if I talked about it, it will take half an hour. So it's just a summary. That's it.
Okay. Hmm.
That's
Yes.
it.
My next question is there any difference in between their natures?
दोबारा बोलो, sorry.
Is there any difference between their nature and behavior in the persons of rural areas and urban areas?
Hmm. Very good. Kabir.
Yes, sir. We can see that the rural areas people behavior is so bad because they are selfish and do not talk with each other. And in urban areas, we can see that.
अर्बन एरिया सिटी एरिया होता है और रूरल एरिया गांवों का एरिया होता है. अब आगे बोल.
हाँ, sir. In urban area, we can see that all people are so good, and all people are good, and their behavior is so nice. They talk with each other perfectly, and they are not selfish. Yes, sir, that's it.
ये शहर के लोगों के बताया आपने अर्बन लोगों के बारे में.
सर, अर्बन लोगों के बारे में बताया मैंने.
अर्बन लोग कौन होते हैं? शहर में रहने वाले, गांव में रहने वाले?
सर, गांव में रहने वाले.
ये तो मैं समझा रहा था तेरे को, पर तेरे को समझ में बात नहीं आ रही थी. मैंने तेरे से कहा था कि अर्बन का मतलब होता है शहर का और रूरल का मतलब होता है गांव का, पर तू तो अपने धुन में लगा हुआ था. अगला क्वेश्चन बोलो प्रिया.
Yes, sir. My next question is how can we decrease accidents?
रक्षित.
Yes, sir. We know that accidents is a major problem in the world, and there are many ways which we can take to decrease it. Like one of the most important reason for decreasing the accidents is following the traffic rules and the traffic lights. Also, driving our vehicles and riding our vehicles on a limited speed, and
लिमिटेड स्पीड.
okay, sir, at a limited speed, and also do not do drink and drive. That's it, sir.
ओके. डू नॉट शुड नॉट.
Okay, sir, should not.
यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir. My next question is that what can we do to achieve good marks?
टू अचीव
Good marks.
गुड मार्क्स. जी.
Sir, when yes, sir. We should do hard work, due to which achieve good marks.
वी कैन अचीव. क्या करते हो ऐसे?
We can achieve good marks, and we should read more and more, and we should revision more and more
रिवाइज.
every topic.
रिवाइज.
revise
सिलेबस
every
रिवीजन
topic.
वर्ब नहीं होती, रिवाइज होती है वर्ब.
And that's it, sir.
Yes, sir. My next question is how can we increase confidence?
हर्षित.
Yes, sir. By self motivation, that we must have a mindset that we can do, and we will achieve anything that we want in our life. That's it, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, what is the difference between confidence and self-confidence?
confidence you can have on others, but self confidence is related to you only.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. So my next question is that why always brothers give money to the sisters on Rakhi, not sisters?
Why
Yes,
brothers
sir.
give money to sisters, not sisters give money to brothers? Why?
Yes, sir. Because it is a gift for sisters when the brothers give them money of their hard work.
Okay, Priya will answer this question.
Yes, sir. I think this is a custom or tradition in our nation, which is सर चला आ रहा को क्या बोलेंगे?
Which is continuing,
Which is continuing, and it has become right of sister and
okay, it
the
has become
brother
the right of sisters. Very good.
and the brother's duty.
It is the brother's duty. Very good. So I think all have answered the questions. कोई रह गया?
सर मैं
लक्ष्मी से क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा, क्वेश्चन पूछ भाई लक्ष्मी से.
Yes, sir. What is literature?
लक्ष्मी.
literature is a theory, and in it there are many dramas and story and many learned person write this books and
This books क्या होता है? Their
and
books.
many
Right, this books का मतलब क्या
their
होता है?
books ऐसी बुकें लिखते हैं
Such books.
such books.
Yeah, write the books
Yes, sir.
of literature. Right, literature भी तो कह सकते हो ना आप, literature लिखते हैं. हाँ, और
Yes,
बोलो.
sir. And many writers name come in literature, and so that's it.
Okay, ठीक है. और कोई तो नहीं रह गया? चलिए. Thank you very much.